How to fix Bluetooth keep disconnecting in iPhone 17 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting click on Bluetooth. You will see Bluetooth button is turned on. So off and again turn on. So after turn on turn off this button, you will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so open control center, swipe down and turn off Bluetooth mode and turn on. After the process, you will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click the power restart phone, click the power button and volume down button at the time and restart phone. After restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved after restarting. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth keep disconnecting in iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you like the video, subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.